Hi, my name is Caleb Wheeler, and I am a software developer. At an early age, I was surrounded by technology, and I've always had a curiosity about how computers work. I worked as a mechanic and eventually built my own gaming PC. After learning how computers work mechanically, my curiosity for software began to develop. Over a year ago, I attended an Introduction to MySQL course at HEB, and from there my journey learning how to read and write code started. When I was in high school, I learned how to work on my own vehicles and had performed an engine swap as well as converted my transmission from an automatic to a manual. With the knowledge I learned working on my own vehicles, I began working professionally as a mechanic. What I enjoyed most about being a mechanic is learning how the different systems work together and using that knowledge to diagnose problems. As a developer, I have utilized what I learned as a mechanic to logically work through problems. Outside of the course, I began learning React.js. I learned how to create a myriad of methods to allow a user to have an email sent to reset their password in the Spring Boot framework. I learned how to utilize async await functions in JavaScript, along with a handful of other useful jQuery methods. Outside of Codeup, I am currently building a Poke app that utilizes React.js and will be deployed via Amplify AWS. Technically, I plan on continuing to build full-stack applications to further solidify what I know currently, and I plan on making a full-stack project that utilizes React.js.
Hello, my name is Levi Trejo, and I'm a software developer. I've spent a lot of time in my career solving interesting challenges in various technical roles, but I've always had an inclination to build or produce things of my own accord. After years of working alongside developers and learning about the software development process, when the opportunity presented itself for me to become a developer, I had no reservations about diving right in. The feeling of producing experiences that you're proud of has been worth the effort tenfold and drives me to continue my growth in the field. All those years of being a resident on the web have highlighted a litany of poor user experience implementations. After becoming a developer and seeing how the sausage is made, I have a vastly expanded understanding of what makes a good experience versus a poor one, and I've gained a ton of respect for the designers and developers pushing the craft forward towards simple, clean, modern designs. In addition to my Codeup obligations, I've been working to honor an obligation with my current employer to remain on staff, part-time, weekends only. This has amounted to an additional 20 hours of work every week. This meant that I've had to be extremely disciplined with my time, as nearly each and every week of this program, I've had 0 down days. The challenging schedule hasn't always been easy, but it's been fulfilling and rewarding to push my capabilities further than I expected.
Hi, I'm Alexandra Hamner, and I'm a software developer. Technology has always fascinated me. I really enjoy knowing how things work and why people use those things. That was initially what got me started in web development. However, what has really solidified my passion is creating websites that people enjoy using. And development has given me the confidence to make things that I'm proud of. And there's always something new to learn when pursuing a path in web development. And I just love the fact that one is a lifelong learner when they choose to be a developer. I come from an art background, so thinking creatively and outside of the box is kind of my forte. I have a keen attention to detail and an eye for design, which I have found to be super useful in web development. I also spent some time working in customer service, so I really do enjoy working with others and communicating with clients. On all the projects I collaborate on, I not only bring my technical skills to the table, but I also make sure I contribute my hard work, my dedication, my design skills, logic, and motivation. I make sure to read up on documentation and go over the topics that are taught at Codeup so I can bring more valuable resources to my team. I'm seeking to contribute my hard work ethic, my creativity, my problem-solving skills, and my emotional intelligence to a team. I look forward to collaborating with other developers from different backgrounds to create amazing projects.